So normal operation is with the spa return, pull/spa return in this position. It has a little water going to the spa to create an exchange of water so that the pool water is exchanging with the spa water. The suction side of the pump is here. You'll see that the spa is off and all the water is coming from the pool skimmer. To change it over to spa only mode, you would make sure the pump is off, turn this valve to here. Now you're turning this pool skimmer off, turning the spa suction on. Same thing with this valve. You'll turn off the pool and turn on the spa. So again, this is normal operation. I'll go ahead and show how to, I'll turn it on manually so that we can show how to turn the heater on manually. So you would hit speed 4, I believe, is the high speed. The pump will go through a priming mode for 30 seconds and then go to whatever speed this may be set at. Otherwise, this is on a time clock to run on high speed at night for cleaning from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. and then from 1 a.m. to about 7 on low speed to continue to filter the water. To turn the heater on, you would need to turn the gas line on here, and then come over here to the mode switch and hit it one time. That'll light up the spa. If you go to pool, same thing. This doesn't know, the heater doesn't know where the water's coming from. You just have two thermostats. So if you wanted to heat up the pool at one temperature, you could just hit it one more time to go to pool and adjust that temperature. I'm going to go ahead and it's already adjusted down to 65 degrees, which is a safe place to have it in case someone ever happens to put it on pool mode. Unless the water gets colder than 65, it won't come on. So you hit it again to go to standby, one more time to go to spa, and then you just set the spa temperature at what you want. Right now it's set at 80 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and move it up to 104, or I'll make it to 100 just to turn the heater on. Give it a few minutes, it'll cycle through and the heater will light up. So that's telling you what the actual temperature is right now. It's 95 degrees. We set it at 100, so the spa is turning on, or the heater is turning on now. Now again, if I don't move the valves, I'm heating up the water in the pool. So the valves determine what water is being heated. The heater just lit up. To turn it off, you could hit the mode button to go into standby, or you could reduce the temperature. For safety reasons, safety meaning it not coming on by mistake, I'm just going to go ahead and lower it down. The heater will shut off. At 65 degrees. And then once the heater shuts off, you can hit the mode button again to get the standby. When you're in spa mode, you can, we'll show you at the spa, there's a button to turn on the boost pump for the therapies, which is the middle pump. This pump is for the waterfall, and that pump is for filtration. To turn on the waterfall pump, that is this time clock. The time clock acts as a switch. So you have to turn that on and just flip that over. There's 2 timer dogs here. If you want it to come on at certain times of the day, you can place the on and off timer dogs wherever you would like on this switch. Turn it off, you go ahead and hit that again. This time clock will always stay on. You operate the time clock from the variable speed pump. These are simply breakers for the different equipment. Pool and spotlight circuit, filter pump circuit, jet pump circuit, and waterfall pump. There used to be 4 pumps on this system, but with the addition of the variable speed pump, we were able to reduce it down to just 3 pumps. And then these are the light switches for the pool and spa. That's really it.
Can we just talk through cleaning the cartridges?
To clean the cartridge filter, you would obviously make sure the system is off, and I would double check that by turning the breaker off. Once you do that, you would open up the air relief. That will allow air to get into the system. By opening this up, you allow air to get into the system. And then once that air gets done sucking, right now air is going this way, you would loosen up this bolt on this nut on this side, take it completely off, and then this clamp will come apart, and then you can lift the lid completely off. There's 4 cartridges in here. Each one of them can be removed and cleaned with a high pressure nozzle. And then putting it back together is just the reverse of that. Before you turn the system on, you would close this again, turn the pump back on, you'll catch a prime, and then when you do that, you open this up until water comes out. Once water comes out, you just shut it off.